Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of phrasal verbs. In this video, we are going to use the phrasal verbs using pick, and we will see how it is used in a sentence and what is its meaning. And you can use this in your daily conversations. So if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content, and share it with your friends as well. Let's start. First phrasal verb is pick up. It means to lift something or acquire something, like some skill or some knowledge like that. Example of pick up would be, she picked up the book from the floor. Okay. Pick out. Its meaning is to choose or select from a group. We are given many things. You take one out, so that we can say it is pick out. Sentence would be, he picked out the best shirt for the party. Next one is pick on. Pick on means to bully or treat someone unfairly. Stop picking on your little brother. Next one is pick at. It is to eat small amount of food. Example, she only picked at her dinner because she wasn't feeling well. Pick apart. It means to analyze something critically or to dismantle something. Example would be, the critics picked apart the movie for its weak plot. Next one is pick up on. It means to notice or become unaware of something. So example would be, he picked up on the fact that she was upset. It is to notice that she was upset. Next would be pick through. It is to examine or to search something carefully. Example would be, she picked through the pile of old clothes to find something useful. Okay. Next one is pick off. It means to remove or take away one by one. Example would be, the sniper picked off the targets one by one. Next one is pick up after. It is to clean or take care of someone's mess, usually linked to a dog. So example would be, it's your turn to pick up after the dog. It is to clean whatever the dog has created the mess. Okay. Next one is pick up where someone left off. That means you have to use that someone here when using in a sentence. It would be pick up where someone left off. That means to continue from the point where someone has paused you or stopped you. So example would be, let's pick up where we left off. That we has to be used here. Okay, we or whatever, that person or that someone you have to include here. Pick up where we left off in our meeting yesterday. So these are the phrasal verbs using the word pick. If you include some words with this pick, the meaning totally changes. Hope the video was useful for you. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and also give it a like if you enjoyed this content, and share this with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.